Class 5th Social Science Chapter 4 Weather and Climate Part 3. In this video, we will learn about climate and the factors affecting the climate of a place. Climate. Climate is the average weather conditions of a place over a long period of time. So, climate is the average weather condition of a large area taken over a long period of time, say 30 years. Places near the snow-covered mountains like Kashmir have a cold climate and people mostly wear woolen clothes. So, places near the snow-covered mountains or the mountainous region, they have cold climate and people mostly wear woolen clothes to protect them from cold climate. Places near the sea have neither hot nor cold climate. So people do not keep woolen clothes and wear summer clothes. Places which are situated near the sea, they have moderate climate, which is neither very hot nor very cold. So people do not keep woolen clothes. In fact, they do not need to wear woolen clothes. They wear summer clothes. Factors affecting the climate of a place. Climate of different places on earth is different. There are numerous factors that determine the climate of a place. These factors are distance from the equator, height above the sea level, distance from the sea, direction of winds, and moisture in the air. Distance from the equator. Equator passes through the middle of the earth. The sun rays fall directly on the equator and spread over a small area, making it the hottest region in the world. So equator, as you know, it passes through the middle of the earth and it receives direct rays of the sun which spread over very less area, so the sun's heat is much intense on equatorial region. Therefore, it is the hottest region in the world. The sun rays become slanting as we go away from the equator and fall over a large area. So, as we go away from the equator, the sun's rays become slanting. They do not fall directly. They become slanting or they fall slanting on those areas and fall over or spread out over a large area. Hence, the heat is not much intense or severe. So, large areas above and below the equator are neither very hot nor very cold. Inclination of sun's rays. The poles are the coldest places on the earth because the sun's rays are the most slanted here. See, now as we go further up towards the poles, the sun's rays fall most slanted manner, in the most slanted manner, or the polar regions receive highly slanting rays of the sun which spread over large area. So these portions receive very less amount of heat from the sun. Therefore, they are the coldest places on earth. Height above the sea level. The height of a place above the sea level is known as altitude. The places at higher altitude are cooler than the places at lower altitude. So the places which are situated at great height from the sea level or the places in the mountainous region, they are cooler than the places at low altitudes or low heights like the plains, because the temperature decreases with the increase in height. Or in other words, as we go higher and higher, the temperature goes on decreasing. So, hill stations are cooler than plains, or hill stations have cooler climate than plains. Distance from the sea. The places near the sea have moderate climate. They have moderate summers and pleasant winters. So places situated near the sea have moderate or equable climate, which is neither very hot nor very cold. They have moderate summers, though summers are moderate or not very severe or very hot, and winters are pleasant. Mumbai, located near Arabian Sea, has moderate climate, whereas Delhi, which is situated far away from the sea, has extreme climate. So Mumbai, located near the Arabian Sea, near sea, has moderate climate, whereas Delhi, which is very far away from the sea, it has extreme climate, which is very hot in summer and very cold in winter. And why? The places near the sea have moderate climate because of the land breeze and sea breeze. Direction of winds. The winds also affect the climate of a place. Winds blowing from cold areas decrease the temperature of a place. Okay, so the winds which come from cold areas or polar regions, they reduce the temperature of the places where they blow. The winds coming from hot areas increase the temperature of a place. Suppose the winds are coming from hot areas or equatorial region, then these winds will increase the temperature of those places wherever it will blow. During summers, hot winds from Rajasthan called Lu makes the western part of the northern plain very hot. Moisture in the air. The amount of moisture present in the air is called humidity. The winds blowing from above the sea carry a lot of moisture with them. So the winds which blow above the sea, they pick up moisture or water vapor from the sea and carry a lot of moisture with them. This is the reason that coastal areas are very humid. Kolkata and Kerala are the most humid places in India.